Attraction psychology is an art and a science. It's about understanding human behavior and using that knowledge to create connections that feel genuine and irresistible. When it comes to dating, many people think chemistry just happens, but the truth is, attraction can be influenced and even amplified by how you approach interactions. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly draw others in, the answer lies in the subtle, often overlooked principles of attraction psychology. To begin with, attraction is rooted in how we make others feel. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good about themselves. Compliments, genuine smiles, and active listening are simple yet powerful tools in creating a connection. When you show someone they're valued and understood, it triggers a positive emotional response. This is where psychological concepts like validation and empathy play a critical role. Validation means acknowledging someone's feelings or perspectives without judgment. It shows respect and builds trust, which are foundational in any romantic relationship. Another key element of attraction psychology is the principle of scarcity. Humans are wired to desire what feels exclusive or hard to get. It's why playing a little hard to get can often be so effective. However, this doesn't mean you should be cold or disinterested. Instead, balance availability with independence. Show that you have a full, interesting life outside of the person you're dating. This creates an air of intrigue and shows you value yourself, which is incredibly attractive. People want to be with someone who is confident and fulfilled on their own. Confidence is, without a doubt, one of the most attractive traits in dating. It's not about arrogance or pretending to be someone you're not. True confidence comes from self-acceptance and knowing your worth. When you project confidence, it sends a signal that you are secure in who you are. This magnetic quality naturally draws others to you. Simple things like maintaining good posture, making eye contact, and speaking with clarity can convey confidence without saying a word. The psychology of attraction also involves reciprocity. When someone feels you're putting effort into getting to know them, they're more likely to reciprocate those feelings. This is why small gestures like remembering details about their life or following up on things they mention can have such a big impact. It shows you care, which deepens their emotional investment in you. Relationships thrive on mutual effort, and this principle is a cornerstone of building attraction. Another fascinating aspect of attraction is the role of mirroring. This is when people subconsciously mimic each other's body language, tone, or expressions. It creates a sense of harmony and makes interactions feel more natural. By subtly mirroring someone's energy during a conversation, you can create an unspoken bond. This doesn't mean copying their every move, but aligning with their vibe in a way that feels effortless. It's a natural way of showing compatibility. Humor is another powerful tool in attraction psychology. People love to laugh, and when you make someone laugh, you create a moment of shared joy. Humor also helps break down barriers and makes people feel comfortable. It's not about being a stand-up comedian, but finding ways to bring lightness into conversations. Shared laughter creates positive associations, and those feelings are often linked to the person who made them happen. One of the most overlooked aspects of attraction is vulnerability. In a world where many people put up emotional walls, being open and authentic is a game changer. Vulnerability doesn't mean oversharing or exposing every insecurity. It's about being honest and showing that you're human. When you share something personal, it encourages the other person to do the same, creating a deeper connection. It's through vulnerability that trust and intimacy are built. Physical appearance also plays a role in attraction, but it's not the whole story. While initial impressions matter, long-term attraction is much more about how someone feels in your presence. Still, taking care of yourself signals that you respect and value yourself. This isn't about fitting into societal beauty standards, but presenting yourself in a way that makes you feel confident. When you feel good about yourself, it radiates outward and makes you more appealing to others. Timing is another critical factor in attraction psychology. Sometimes, the right person at the wrong time doesn't lead to a connection. Understanding this can save you a lot of frustration in dating. If someone isn't ready for a relationship or emotionally available, no amount of chemistry can make things work. Recognizing when to step back is as important as knowing when to lean in. It shows emotional intelligence, which is highly attractive. Attraction also involves creating mystery. People are naturally curious, and leaving some things unsaid can pique their interest. Share enough to keep the conversation engaging, but don't reveal your entire life story in the first few interactions. Let them get to know you over time. This keeps the dynamic exciting and gives them something to look forward to. Communication style plays a significant role in attraction as well. How you say something can be just as important as what you say. Speaking with warmth, using open body language, and genuinely engaging in conversations can make you stand out. Avoid rushing to fill silences or dominating the conversation. Instead, focus on creating a comfortable flow where both of you feel heard and valued. The concept of familiarity also impacts attraction. This is known as the mere exposure effect, which suggests that people tend to develop a preference for things they're exposed to repeatedly. While this doesn't mean stalking someone to create familiarity, it does mean that spending quality time together can naturally deepen feelings of attraction. Lastly, self-awareness is key in using attraction psychology effectively. Understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and patterns helps you approach dating more thoughtfully. Self-awareness allows you to navigate interactions with authenticity, which is the foundation of lasting attraction. People are drawn to those who know themselves and aren't afraid to be real. Key takeaways from this discussion include the importance of confidence, emotional intelligence, and authenticity in building attraction. By understanding and applying principles like reciprocity, mirroring, and vulnerability, you can create meaningful connections that go beyond surface-level interactions. Attraction psychology isn't about manipulation. It's about fostering genuine connections through understanding and empathy. So, if you've ever wondered how to make someone fall for you, the answer lies in mastering the art of attraction psychology. It's not about tricks or gimmicks, but creating real, lasting bonds through emotional depth, mutual respect, and shared joy. When you approach dating with this mindset, you'll find that connections become more meaningful and relationships thrive naturally.